Consider the set S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 1000. How many arithmetic progressions can be formed from the elements of S that start with 1 and end with 1000 and have at least 3 elements? Okay, I request you all to just try this one out. It's a previous CAT question. You take the set S consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 1000. You want to form arithmetic progressions, okay, such that they start with 1 and end with 1000 and have at least three elements, they are saying, right? Okay, so here for the arithmetic progression which you want, the first term is 1 and the last term will be 1000. I do not know what the value of n will be. The चौथा पांचवा कौन सा term होगा, but I know the nth term will be 1000. Okay, so how many arithmetic progressions can be formed? Suppose कोई भी एक arithmetic progression हमने ले लिया, okay, with common difference d and number of terms n. Okay, what can I say about tn now? From the formula we know that tn is a plus n minus 1 times d. Substituting, tn is 1000, a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, take the 1 on the right hand side, in fact, so you will have n minus 1 multiplied by d. So you will have n minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 1000 minus 1 is 999. Okay, अब guys, n minus 1 into d. Okay, ऐसे कितने जोड़े बन सकते हैं n minus 1 into d के? जितने ways में you can factorize a number 999, right? One way is you can factorize this 1 into 999, ये एक तरीका हो सकता है. You can factorize this as 3 into 333, ये भी हो सकता है. 9 into 111, ये भी हो सकता है. Okay, 3 से divide करो, 27 into 37, ये भी हो सकता है, right? 37 into 27, ये भी हो सकता है, right? फिर वापस 111 into 9 भी हो सकता है, 333 into 3 भी हो सकता है, and last 999 into 1 भी हो सकता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 possible ways of writing them as a product of two numbers, right? Writing 999 as a product of two numbers. Okay, n minus 1 into d is nothing, n minus 1 into d is also nothing but 999. So there are 8 ways to write n minus 1 into d here. Okay, now guys, instead of doing all this, okay, इतना झंझट करने की जरूरत नहीं था. Okay, we can simply find out the number of factors of 999. Okay, and this you can remember it. 27 into 37 होता है 999, which is nothing but 3 cube into 37 raised to 1. इसके number of factors निकालने सीखे हैं हमने. 3 plus 1 will be 4, 1 plus 1 will be 2. 4 into 2 directly gives you exactly 8 factors. जितने factors होंगे उतने तरीके से उनको हम लोग multiply कर सकते हैं आपस में, right? Okay, so the answer is option E 8. No, it's not 8. Okay, बहुत लोगों ने CAT में इस तरह गलती की थी option E mark करके, because they forgot one thing. The question says that it should have the arithmetic progression should have at least 3 elements, right? Okay, अब देखो guys, अगर हम पहला वाला केस लेते हैं 1 into 999 वाला केस जो लेते हैं, the common difference is 999. Okay, and there are two terms. ऐसा एक ही AP बनता है ना, 1 and 1000. But that consists of exactly two terms, right? You can just observe here, n minus 1 is equal to 1, matlab n is equal to 2 terms, right? ये नहीं चाहिए अपने को. So from these 8 ways, you subtract just one way, okay, of this 1 into 999, and the answer finally should be equal to 7. Option D is the correct and the final answer in this case. All right, so I hope you understood, guys.